Ever wonder if our reality is just a projection, or if our imagination has the power to shape the world? Today we are diving deep into the Energy Hologram Theory and the profound teachings of Neville Goddard. By the end of this video you'll grasp the intricate connection between the Energy Hologram Theory and Neville's teachings. This isn't just another spiritual talk. This is about understanding the fabric of our universe and our role in shaping it. The Energy Hologram Theory states that our reality is a holographic projection influenced by energy and consciousness. On the other hand, Neville Goddard, a spiritual luminary, emphasized the transformative power of imagination. The overlap both suggest that we are not mere spectators but active creators of our reality. Neville's teachings from the mid-20th century might seem outdated to some, but they're more relevant than ever. In a world of quantum physics and holographic universe theories, Neville was ahead of his time, teaching about the power of belief and imagination. So, how do these two concepts intertwine? If our reality is a holographic projection, then our thoughts, feelings and beliefs are the projectors. Every thought, sense rebels into this energetic field, influencing the very fabric of our existence. Harnessing this knowledge can be transformative. First, recognize that your beliefs aren't just passive thoughts. They're powerful projectors shaping your reality. If you're trapped in a cycle of negative thinking, you're projecting that into your holographic reality. But imagine the possibilities if you believe in your dreams, in abundance, or in love. Now, I won't just leave you with theory. Let's do a quick exercise. Close your eyes, visualize something you deeply desire. Feel it, embrace it, and believe in its reality. This is the essence of Neville's teachings, combined with the Energy Hologram Theory. It's about feeling and believing before seeing. Now for the next 30 days, dedicate a few minutes daily to this visualization exercise. Immerse yourself in the feeling of your desires being real. And then, observe the changes around you. Share your experiences in the comments below. The universe is not just a vast expanse outside of us. It's within us, around us, and influenced by us. As Neville Goddard beautifully put it, the world is yourself pushed out. So let's push out a world filled with our grandest dreams and desires. Our journey doesn't end here. With every thought and belief, we're shaping our holographic reality. So, what reality will you create? Dive deep, explore, and remember, the universe is listening. Thank you all for watching.